Welcome to the first video of the Get Conversational from Lesson 1 series. If you want to be able to order a coffee or any other beverage in Portuguese, then stick around until the end of the video. Don't forget to read the instructions so you can take the most out of this lesson. Now, let's get into it. Good morning in Portuguese is bom dia, bom dia. The O in bom is nasal. Think about the ng sound in English. Now, to understand how to pronounce bom, let's substitute the M for the ng sound. Repeat this word while slowly removing the sound of the G. Bong, 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 bong. If you have previously studied French, it will be easier for you to get the pronunciation right, since the Portuguese word bom sounds very similar to the French word bon. So, bom means good. What about dia? Dia means day. The way to say a in Portuguese, as in a coffee or a book, is um. Just like the O in bom, the U in is also nasal. That is because in Portuguese, every vowel that comes before a N or a M is always nasal. Coffee in Portuguese is café, café. So, how would you say a coffee in Portuguese? Café. The more polite and formal way to say please in Portuguese is se faz favor. Se faz favor. Now try to say a coffee, please. Café, se faz favor. Are you now able to order a coffee? Say, good morning, a coffee, please. Bom dia, café, se faz favor. In Portuguese, all nouns are considered masculine or feminine. Café is masculine, so we say café. If the noun is considered feminine, we say uma. The word for beer in Portuguese is cerveja, cerveja. Cerveja is a feminine noun, so how would you say a beer? Uma cerveja. Now, instead of a coffee, you want to order a beer. Bom dia, uma cerveja, se faz favor. The word for and in Portuguese is e. How would you say a coffee and a beer? café e uma cerveja. Now, pretend to order a coffee and a beer. Bom dia, café e uma cerveja, se faz favor. Two in Portuguese is dois. Dois. For feminine nouns, we use duas. Duas. Just like in English, most Portuguese words will become plural by adding the letter S at the end. Knowing this, how would you say 2 coffees? Dois cafés. Now, how would you say 2 beers? Duas cervejas. How would you say a coffee and 2 beers, please? Café e 2 cervejas, se faz favor. Try saying, good morning, a coffee and 2 beers, please. Bom dia, café e 2 cervejas, se faz favor. To finish this lesson, here are 2 more beverages you could order. Water is água, água. Coca-cola is coca-cola, coca-cola. Both água and Coca-Cola are feminine nouns, so a water is uma água and a Coca-Cola is uma Coca-Cola. In Portuguese, it's common for people to just say a water instead of a bottle of water. But if you want to say the whole thing, then remember that bottle is garrafa and of is de. So bottle of water is garrafa de água. And a bottle of water is uma garrafa de água. Go over this lesson until you feel comfortable ordering any of these 4 beverages. Then you can move on to the next lesson. Até a próxima!